Hello my dear all, I am going to start a poem of your class 10th. Poem name is Fog, and it is composed by Carl, okay, Sandburg, and very interesting poem. You will know in this poem, you will know in this video about poem, short summary, poetic devices, theme of the poem, rhyme scheme, and measure tone also. Okay, so first I will say, as you know very well, the poet makes a comparison between fog and a cat, and you should know also that the poem has no rhyme. It is written in free verse. It is asked in MCQ question also, that fog poem rhyme. Okay, then you have to answer free verse. Okay, now my dear all, I am going to start. I am going to say also about short summary. You have to elaborate yourself whenever it is asking. If anyone have to say, anyone have to explain, then you can explain. But if you know in short way, then obviously you can make the sentences also. So short summary is here. The advancement of a fog appears to the poet like a cat who comes on its hunches. Also like a cat, the fog keeps moving and hardly stay at its place. Okay. Now metaphor is a comparison has been made between cat and fog. Enjambment. All the lines of the poem continue in the next line. Okay, you know about short story, metaphor, enjambment. What is a metaphor here? What is enjambment? And now you have to know about this poem compares fog with a cat. In this way, in the summarized way, you know about fog, what is going to say through this poem. Through this mind map, you know about fog in very short way. Okay, in detail you will know in another video. Thank you so much.